Hello, I am Dr. Moshumi Pal, faculty member of Swami Vivekananda Institute of Modern Science, Shonarpur, Karbala. Today I am going to talk about World Tourism Organization, that is WTO. WTO is an intergovernmental technical body dealing with all aspects of tourism, began its legal existence on 2nd January 1975. It came into existence as a result of the transformation of IEOTO, that is International Union of Official Travel Organizations. Headquarters of WTO is located at Madrid, that is in Spain. Now, the objectives of the organization. The primary objective is to promote the economic development of countries through tourism. Next, to enhance the social and cultural role of tourism in the life of nations, and to enhance the vital contribution of tourism to international trade, and to foster the steady expansion of international flow. Other objectives is to assist the members with the results of tourist market research, to protect the interests of tourists and the tourist industry, and to gain recognition of the value of tourism as a means of promoting international understanding and world peace. The aims of the organization is to promote and develop tourism with a view to enhance economic development, international understanding, peace and prosperity. The organization shall pay particular attention to the interests of the developing countries in the field of tourism. It will work in collaboration with other United Nations agencies. Now, the membership. WTO offers three types of memberships. They are full membership, open to all sovereign states, associate membership, open to territories that are not responsible for their external relations. For this, a prior approval of the government is required, which should mention the responsibility for the external relations, and affiliate membership, open to a wide range of organizations and companies working directly in travel, tourism, and related sectors. These include airlines and other transport, tour operators, travel agents, banking sectors, hotels, restaurants, publishers, travel insurance companies, etc. Even WTO's membership includes 158 countries, 6 territories, and over 500 affiliate members representing the private sector, educational institutions, tourism associations, and local tourism authorities. Now, the activities. The primary one is to constant review of tourism trends and developments and exercising vigilance over changes in world economic and social conditions affecting tourism. It also acts as a clearinghouse for all available information on international and domestic tourism, including statistical data, and it also collects legislative text, regulations, and documentation of data on various aspects of tourism. Moreover, conducting research studies covering tourism markets and area development, preparation of draft international agreements on tourism, organizing international conferences, workshops, and training programs. WTO functioning through different organs. These are General Assembly, Executive Council, and the Secretariat. General Assembly is the supreme organ and the sovereign body of the organization, composed of delegates of full members, associate members, and representatives of affiliate members. It meets every 2 years and make recommendations on any matter within the competence of WTO. It approves the organization's general program of work and provides general guidelines for the administration of the organization. General Assembly has created 6 subsidiary organs in the form of regional commissions. These are as follows: WTO Commission for Africa, WTO Commission for the America, WTO Commission for East Asia and Pacific, WTO Commission for South Asia, WTO Commission for Europe, and WTO Commission for Middle East. The task of above regional organization is to implement the technical tourism recommendation of the Assembly in their respective regions. Executive Council consists of full members elected by the Assembly at a ratio of one member for every five full members. Representative of associate members and affiliate members may participate the work of Executive Council but without voting power. Main task is to take all necessary measures in consultation with the Secretary General for implementing the resolutions of the General Assembly. Spain is the privileged member of Executive Council. They meet at least twice a year. Secretariat consists of the Secretary General and the staff members responsible for carrying out the general policy and work program of the organization in accordance with the direction of the General Assembly and the Executive Council. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, and comment my channel.